welcome back to our channel. My name is Hannah. My name is Seriel. And wala po si Helen kasi po natutulog po siya. Today we're gonna make a glow jar. Kita niyo naman po merong jar dito. At masarap ba yung glowing the light? So, binabuksan pa lang po na lumami. So, like po natin.
Careful. Lalagyan yun sa loob.
Bawal po tumahulog kasi po chemical. Lalagyan naman yung lahat. Bakit parang wala na yung akin?
Wait lang. Bakit siya buo?
What's happening? Oh my daddy!
Ganun mo mas nalagay ko. Ganyan ganap sa ganun mo.
It's okay lang.
Kasi mo ba?
God, it's too many. Now we
Then
mix
you have to
it.
close it. Close it properly.
And then next we're gonna shake it.
Yep. Shake it very well. 2 hands. Use your 2 hands.
Okay, shake it, shake it, shake it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye!